articles used before common names? So students, A, an are articles which are used before common name. Common name is name of anything, that is a tiger, school, country, not specific name like India or Raju. So A, an are articles used before common names. Next is articles are used before word or common name which is one or single in number, not for many number. Next is we have to check starting sound or letter of the word to choose right article. So students, let's learn about these points. In alphabet, there are 26 letters. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. In our previous session, we already learned about vowel and consonant. You can click on I and you can see the previous session to more understand the concept of vowel and consonant. So 5 vowels are, which are 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. And other than these letters in alphabet are consonant. That is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So clear about vowels and consonants? Next is the concept of one and many. You already learned this concept in your LKG class. That is the object which is one in number and many in number. See the screen. What you can see? Yes, a honeybee. There is one honeybee. And opposite to this, there are many honeybees. Next, one butterfly. And opposite to this, many butterflies. Next, one ball and many balls. Then one tiger and many tigers. So, to apply the article, the object must be one in number, that is single in number. And that is we can apply the article before one honeybee, that is a honeybee, not for honeybees. We can apply article for butterfly, not for butterflies, right? Yes. Next is, let's check what is use of vowel and consonants concept in article. Article an, a word whose starting sound or letter is vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. Which article is used before that? Correct, an article. Article an is used before it. That is the word whose starting letter is A or I or E, O or U. We can use article an. For example, an apple. Starting sound is A. That is, we can use an for the starting sound or starting letter A. That is a vowel. Then second is an orange. Its starting letter is O. O is vowel. So we can use an. And what about a article A? That is, we can pronounce a word whose starting sound is consonant. That is, other than A, E, I, O, U. Other than the letter A, E, I, O, U are consonants. A word whose starting sound is consonant then we can use the article a before it. That is, article a is used before it. For example, a bat. Starting sound is B. B is not a vowel. So we can use A. Then a cat. Starting sound is C. It is not a vowel. So we can use a cat. So let's see a pictorial view. Starting of the word. Starting letter or starting sound of the word. If it is vowel, then we can use an. And if it is consonant, can use a. Understand? Yes. If the starting letter of the word is vowel, we use a, an. And if the starting letter of the word is consonant, we use a. So let's solve some worksheet so you can understand well. The first is write appropriate article. So first picture is, tell me. Yes, elephant. The starting sound is E. E. Elephant. So we can use E is, what is E? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. E is vowel. So we can use and. Next, what? No, next picture is monkey. Monkey. M. M is a consonant. So what should be used here? Yes, for consonant, we use A. Then next is ant. A. A-N-T. A. A is a vowel. So we use an. Next is zebra. Z. Z is consonant. So what we can use? A. Yes. Next is ostrich. Ostrich starting sound O. So we use here an. Next is horse. Horse. Starting sound is H. Starting letter is H. H is consonant. So what should be written here? A. Correct. Now next worksheet. Write with appropriate article. In this box, we are given some words. That is well. So check the first letter. What is the first letter of well? W. W is vowel or consonant? Yes, it is consonant. So we can write what? Yes, a well. Next is owl. What we can write? O is vowel. So we can write an owl. Next, bird. Bird. So starting sound is B. Starting letter is B. So B is consonant. So what should be written before bird? That is what this should be written, this word. That is a bird. A bird. Next is I. I is vowel. An iguana. Correct. Next. Next is frog. The starting sound of frog is F. F is consonant. So we should write here a frog. Write down a frog. Understand? Next worksheet. Place below words in appropriate column. Columns are A and An. The word whose prefix is a, that is, we can use a article. We can use a article, then we write before the column A. Or for words on before which we can use an article, we write down below the column an. So check. The first letter is cake. C-A-K-E. C is consonant. So where it goes? Below A. Next is ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. I is vowel. So it goes below an ice cream. Next is banana. B is consonant. So it must be a banana. So it is below a column. Next, apple. Starting sound is A. A is vowel. So it is an apple. So right below an. Next, orange. O is vowel. So it must be an orange. So write down below an column. Next is sandwich. Sandwich. S is consonant. So it must be a sandwich. Write down below A column. Next is sweet. Again, yes, S is consonant. So write down below A column, a sweet. Next is chicken. C is consonant. So write down below a column, that is a chicken. Egg. Egg. E is vowel. So it must be an egg. Next, hamburger. H. H is correct. Consonant. So it must be a hamburger. Write down below A column. Next is elephant. Elephant is correct. It must be an elephant because starting sound is E. E is vowel. So write down below an column. Next is cat. C. C is consonant. It must be a cat. The next worksheet is see below word, put a right sign if the given word is correct and put wrong sign if given word is wrong. And if it is wrong, rewrite the correct word. Okay, so let's check. First word is a tree. A tree. Tree is word. Its starting sound is T. T is consonant. So we use a before this word. So it is correct. A tree is correct. Next is an computer. The word is computer. The starting sound is C. C is consonant. So what we should use here? Yes, a computer. So an computer is wrong. So write down correct letter, a computer. Next is a umbrella. U is vowel. And it must be an umbrella because before the vowel sound we use an. So it is wrong. Rewrite correct word, an umbrella. Next is a mango. The first letter is M. M is consonant, and for consonant we use A. So it is correct. Next is an snail. Snail. S. S is consonant, and for consonant we use A. A article. And here is an snail. So it is wrong. Write down correct. A snail. So student, hope you understand the concept of article a, an. If you don't understand this, re-watch this video and solve the worksheets. Keep watching our channel Rise and Shine from KG to PG and from Stotras to Syntax. Subscribe the channel so you can see all the sessions about this series, UKG English. Thank you.